Welcome to John Imran.Family kitchen. Today we are going to make sesame potato toastie, an incredible snack, and let's move on to recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this sesame potato toastie. It was very delicious, especially with the spicy potato tangy filling and the crispy sesame seed toasted sandwich. It was very delicious and it's perfect for lunch on the go. It's got that sort of softness that is inside due to the potatoes, the spiciness, but then the outside it's just crispy, crunchy. It's like various different things happening at once, one of those sort of things. Just delicious, just yummy, quick on the go. It's well worth trying at least once. So you guys can view our noodle cutlet recipe over here, our honey roasted almonds over here, and view our side dishes and snacks recipe playlist over here. And with that said,